Still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today it is November 23. The market is dipping below 2.6 trillion. Bitcoin does not look too hot at all. It's at 57,000. We need to regain the levels that we lost in the short term. Like, we really need to start stepping it up on Bitcoin right now. But what you do see is the altcoins pumping, right? Look at this. Ethereum. So Bitcoin dipped even further, and Ethereum stayed at 4,200. And in fact, is 1% up today, right? You're seeing these altcoins. Like, if we look, there's a lot of green right now. By the way, I called AMP. Real ones know. If you watch every piece of content I put out, including my TikTok live streams, you know that I said, and my YouTube videos, I said that AMP is going to have a good alt season again. That's what I kept saying. And look at this. Boom. Pumped all the way from 4.49 to 7.3. So that's like 3 cents right there. So big pump on AMP. We're also all in Engine. Like, Engine is amazing. We've been talking about Engine on this channel since 40 cents. So we're realizing, once you start realizing some of these manifestations, like CRO pumps up to freaking almost, well, it did pump to 80 cents. Once you start realizing these, you know it's time to take profits, right? So we see Phantom. Now, one thing I want to focus on too is QNT. By the way, we have so much good stuff to cover today. So make sure you drop a like on the video. Drop a subscribe. We're closing in on that 100K subscribers. I'm going to give away $2,000, possibly way more. Possibly way more. I'm going to see what I could do. QNT, though, 242. Look at that. That is actually insane. Also, make sure to follow my Twitter, by the way, right here. Make sure you spell it correctly. Go follow the Twitter. I would appreciate that, but let's go. Okay, so I know for sure, here I'm in my portfolio right now, and basically here is my portfolio worth over all time that I've been tracking it on CoinMarketCap. And we can see this has just been like an up-only chart. Like, this took a fall, right? See, I could have easily thought that this was the peak of my portfolio. I don't even think that this is the peak of my portfolio, right? Right here on November 11 or 15, November 15, my portfolio peaked. I think that there's going to be another peak. There's going to be another peak, and that's the one I'm actually going to cash out on, right? We also see XDC going crazy right here. So a lot of stuff just coming to fruition, right? All this whole year stuff has been coming to fruition. And what we can see on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is doing badly. Okay, this is doing badly right here. We need to regain some of these levels, right? We need to regain that 60K for real. We really need to do that. But if you just zoom out, like, all you gotta do is zoom out, dude. Like, put your thing on log scale, right? And just zoom out and look at this. Like, this could just end up being a blip. Like, this could just end up being a blip, like right here, right? This will just end up being a blip. Like, that's how hard it is. You need to zoom out to have a better perspective on this, right? We're going to talk about XRP pretty heavily in this, but just to get the Bitcoin stuff out of the way, because Bitcoin is very important to pay attention to right now. Benjamin Cowan says, as we said for years, there's no reason that Bitcoin has to go parabolic in Q4 of 2021, just because it did in 2017. This is something we also have to realize. These cycles don't have to repeat. Anything can really happen. So he says it doesn't have to go parabolic in 2021 in the Q4. The good news is that 2022 is less than 40 days away. So what if we just get like an extended cycle? I actually like it better than just going parabolic in a couple weeks and then wrecking everybody. I like this slow burn of heading all the way, slow burn up so people don't get wrecked, right? Now look at this. Decentralized K says he's showing this tech dev where he overlays the 1970s gold fractal. Why is this so important? Because in 1971, President Nixon carried out a series of economic policies, aka the Nixon shock, right? The one that matters to most as Bitcoin investors is the suspension of the Bretton Woods Agreement. He took the US off the gold standard, blah, 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 right? So what they're saying with this gold fractal overlaid is that the dollar is weakening so much that this fractal might play out. Like, this might be the exact same type of deal as what happened with the bull run of gold in 1970s, right? It's already tracking, basically. It's already tracking, but we'll see what happens, because this predicts that Bitcoin goes to an astronomical number. So maybe we have a slightly scaled back version of this, and we just touch that 100K is the magic number. Like I'm saying, if we get above 100K, like 150K is doable, bro. Let's talk about XRP right here, okay? Actually, let's talk about this guy right here. Odell Beckham is taking his salary in Bitcoin. Let me tell you something about this. They just activate these celebrities. They just activate them. Look, Michael Saylor is dapping up his fellow activator. I think it's Digital Asset Investor who says activate. So this does nothing to the Bitcoin price. It does absolutely nothing except get more people talking about Bitcoin. That's it. It's just a promo thing. And he gets paid in his little Bitcoin. He probably cashes it out to fiat sometimes. I don't know. But yeah, that's happening. We also had 300 million XRP transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. So is somebody getting ready to dump, or is somebody getting their crypto onto an exchange to get ready to sell when we go up? Also keep in mind, so going on to XRP heavy right here. First of all, look at these RSIs coming down right here. Right? These RSIs are slowly coming down. This money flow, usually the money flow goes like this, right? In waves like that. So if we get to this fourth quarter of this money flow, if you split it into quarters, right? You get to the fourth quarter of the money flow in the red. Right as that fourth quarter of this money flow is starting, that's when you should long. That's one signal to long, because you can extrapolate that this money flow is going to come back up. But ultimately, these, see the stochastic RSI and the normal RSI are both coming down. They both coming down to like this zero line right here. Okay? So what does that mean? That means that this is a little bit oversold, and we could potentially be seeing a breakout coming soon. And I really do think we are, right? Ripple, speaking of the decoding on XRP, what's up? What's up? We predicted it again. What did I say with the previous decoding? We're going to get a page of cups, a 3 of cups, and a page of cups. What is this? Go watch the decoding. I just made it. The last Ripple decoding. You'll see me say we're going to get 2 pieces of good news. What is this? This is the best news you could ever see. Ripple is seeing good progress. They even say good. Like they're even saying good here. Seeing good progress in the SEC case over XRP. Outcome expected next year. That is amazing, right? We're basically at the end of this year, so obviously the outcome is coming next year. Hey, Brad, when though? January? Yo, Brad, January? February, please? Can we end it like February? January, man? Look at him. So he also said in this that he's not convinced that Dogecoin is good for the crypto market. Okay? Obviously, he would think like that. Yeah, that's cool. Of course, it's not good for the crypto market. It's just, it is like the argument of if it's a net positive or a net negative. It's just balanced out, to be honest. It makes the industry look like a joke, but it also brings in new people, right? So this is what we've got for XRP, man. Like, let's see what we've got on Market Cypher A right now on the 6 hour. Wow, we have a big diamond red X stacked short signal. So that did play out already over the 6 hour. Let's go to the smaller time frames. We can see, what do we got here? Reversal. See, Market Cypher missed right here. Market Cypher technically missed, kind of, right there with that reversal. Everyone thinks I'm like talking up Market Cypher so much, but they do miss sometimes. It does miss. So Rickus points out another big similarity between 2017 and 2021. We can see on the stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the VI, all the similarities. Even making waves on the RSI 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, right? That's wave 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 would be back up, well, is what they're saying. The fifth wave would be back up. And it's just so much similarities right there. We also have this from Matthew Hyland, emotional investing. This is what you should not do, okay? Oh my goodness, I'm confident. I'm making so much money. Price is going up. Then you get euphoric. I should quit my day job and do this full time. Look at the money I'm making, right? That's the riskiest time. And then you get nervous when it goes down, desperate, defeated, and hopeful. And the cycle continues, right? It's just this big sine wave. Now, take a look at this. Talking about XDC, we see that, look at the gas fees. Easily outweighs all the gas fees right here. Beats all the block times. Beats all the TPS. Does not beat the market cap yet, right? Zinfin coming through right there. We also see DAG compared to Solana, Polkadot, and Avalanche. TPS infinity. Infinity TPS. With 0.5 billion of a market cap. DAG absolutely belongs at like 2 billion market cap at least, bro. Way more. 10 billion, 20 billion, all the way up there. Kevin Cage says there are people that buy an asset after it's already done a 300x over the past 2 years and then gets down and then get pissed when it's down 60%. Come on, dude. That's what everybody's doing with these. That's what everybody's doing with these, man. What the heck is this fountain thing, by the way? It came out of nowhere. Fountain. Whoa. Look at that. 39 bajillion %. See, these are the glitches. I'm going to see how many people are getting wrecked on this. It's only on a trash exchange called CoinTiger. Okay, so nobody's getting wrecked because they can't even buy it. So they're just glitching themselves onto the top 100. We have Tig right here asking Hester Pierce, why can't she just answer if Ethereum is a security? Again, he asked it again to her. And she says, rather than analyzing the status of particular assets, I need to focus on building a sensible and clear regulatory framework for crypto. I like Hester Pierce because she has a brain and she proposed that safe harbor thing. The safe harbor rule would save all of crypto because everybody can just decentralize. In fact, it would make HBAR's price go up. It would probably make XRP's price go up. It would make all of these networks' value go up if they further decentralized, right? Because that would mean that HBAR has to do something with the HBAR that they hold. And they already did, though. See? They already allocated like 10 billion or whatever to that HBAR foundation. See, they know what's coming. I think Hester Pierce has it nailed here. So Ripple case likely to reach a conclusion. We already saw that, right? Now we have Elon Musk even calling out Binance for being sketchy. Hey, Binance, what's going on with your Doge customers? Sounds shady, right? Even Elon Musk is calling out Binance for being shady. He knows what's happening, man. He knows what's happening. So, the Ripple decoding, right? Go back and watch it. We have a page of cups, celebration of cups. Or, sorry, 3 of cups, page of cups. Okay? So, we're nearing Thanksgiving. So, I'm thinking that was maybe the first piece of good news right here, right? Ripple is making big progress. Mainstream news. CNBC is mainstream. If you just Google this freaking thing, just Google this, boom, you're going to see, look, all of these made headlines. It made headlines everywhere, right? So, this is the first piece of good news. Or it's the last one. I would need to look, because the Ripple Liquidity Hub, just go watch the last decoding if you're into that. If you're into that on XRP. But, dude, either what's going to happen is we're going to get a good news, that could be this, and then we're going to get a celebration, and then we're going to get another piece of good news, okay? And then we're headed into the Ace of Cups, right? Where it's just absolute mania in December, if I'm remembering correctly. But that is all we've got for the daily market update. We continue to be accurate with those Ripple decodings. Take your freaking profits, please. Right? Altcoins are pumping right now. There's a take profit time. Trust me, you don't want to get caught off guard if something goes wrong here. But in my opinion, we're still on track for an amazing December, or possibly a bloody December, and then January's the real month where we pump. Just because of this lengthening cycle thing, anything can happen now. Make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, join the Telegram group. Also drop a like on the video as you leave, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.